Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Control the Chaos Painting. As always, I'm Ken, and I'll be your artist today. The first thing I want to do is apologize for the lack of videos. Once again, we've been really busy, so we're trying to clear up time as much as we can. Also, today's painting, it's going to be a dedication to Jenny. A while back on the creams painting, you made a comment that you would like to see creams in a cup pour. So that's what I'm going to do, creams in a cup pour. It should come out nice. We've done videos and paintings similar to that before. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad to have you aboard, but without no further ado, let's get painting. Okay, wonderful. Well, I believe it's done. I think I'm going to leave it like that. I haven't given it a real close look yet, but I think I like it. And I'm excited for the close-up if you guys are. Honestly, I'm seeing some nice cell structure. In addition to that, I think I see some banding in there. But yeah, small, medium, and larger cells too. So we're going to get a good look at that. Again, I really appreciate your time. I promise I'll try to get the next painting up as soon as possible. As for the three-dimensional fantasy figures, I might put that off for one or two more videos and then get to it. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to it. If it's not your thing, at least give it a chance. These could be applied to gnomes in your house, pottery, and other things. I do fantasy miniatures, so if I could do it with this little tiny detail, those other things should be a walk in the park. So thank you again for your time, and if you do enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for upcoming videos. Honestly, it really does help. And spread the word. Thanks for your time. Jenny, a while back on the creams painting, you made a comment that you would like to see creams in a cup pour. So that's what I'm going to do, creams in a cup pour. So that's what I'm going to do, creams in a cup pour.